This entire kid story video with a single AI tool within few minutes. Kid story channels are very much popular on YouTube, especially bedtime stories and fairy tale stories. This kind of videos are getting thousands to millions to billions of views, earning between $100 to $10,000+ per month. Today I will show you how can you make kid story for free. And on one of my next video I will show step-by-step monetizable YouTube channel within 30 minutes for completely free with AI tools to start money online where you need no skills. You will don't need to write any scripts, don't need to give your voice, or even you don't need to edit videos. Just watch this video till the end. I will put the link in description. You will just click the link and visit to this website's homepage. Till now I have tried 200+ AI website and I find this is the best website for kid story video generation. Start for free. Click on sign in with Google button will redirect you to dashboard. This is the dashboard of this AI. To start making your first kids video, just click on create AI video button. On the generate from prompt box write your idea. I wrote, write a kid story within 10 lines. You can write anything you want. Then select aspect ratio. For YouTube long video you need to select landscape 16:9 ratio. You can also select portrait for shorts video. Then select video language. Then select style. I select Disney 3.0. You can select however you want. Then click on generate button will generate your kid story script within seconds. Check the script and click on next button will start finding main characters of your story and this take minutes, and finally AI will suggest characters what will be appeared here. Now click on autocast button, this will automatically add character according to your story. Click on the character if you want to change. You will find 50+ pair-made characters here. Select the character you preferred most. Use your mouse wheel to check all the characters. I primarily selecting a character from here. You can select whatever you want for your story. And then click confirm button. Then click on next button will start generating your storyboard. It may takes few minutes. In the meantime, if you find my video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. I have a plan to make a dedicated video for how to make kid story YouTube channel within 20 minutes for 100% free strategy step by step. If you want to watch, comment. And I will give away for 1 month free upgradation plan for few person if I get 1000 like and 100 comment in this video. In the storyboard, if you don't like any generated image, you can regenerate image by clicking regenerate button. This will start generating a new image for this frame without any costing of credits. You can select new one or you can select previous one or generate a new image till you satisfy. When you think storyboard images are okay, you will need to animate images one by clicking animate button. My initial credits were already used by me. I recommend you to upgrade to Pro plan if you want to make a YouTube channel with this AI. Otherwise, you can do another strategy I am showing you. Click on next button. Now set a cover for your story video, set subtitle style if you want and select a background music as per your wish. If you have any confusion you can ask me on comment, I will reply all comment one by one. Finally click on generate button will start generating your kid story. This time AI will take few minutes to generate entire video. That's so easy. I hope I can get a like. This is 37 seconds video, took only 5 minutes to generate with this AI.
In a land filled with
our kid story video is ready. Wait till the end. I have more strategy for you, let's see it.
In a land filled with lollipop trees and gumdrop houses, lived a little girl named Lily. Lily loved to collect shiny pebbles. One day, she discovered a giant, sparkling pebble. It was magical. When she held it, she could talk to animals. She befriended a wise owl who told her secrets of the forest. Lily learned that the magic pebble helped her understand the importance of nature and friendship. She promised to protect her new friends and her special pebble. Lily continued her adventures, making new friends and protecting the magical forest.
You see, this is not animated story as you see at first.
She discovered a giant,
if you upgrade to any plan, you can make it animated within this AI. And I am showing you final strategy to animate it for free. You can now download the video from download button. You will see two options, download video and download all images. Firstly, download the video. And then again click on Download All Images button to download all images what AI generated at first in our storyboard. We will animate all images one by one with free strategy. After download complete, you will see a zip file. Create a new folder and move that zip to that folder, and extract by clicking right button on zip file and click on extract button. You will see all images here with sequence. So we have now all images. You can now animate images one by one with any image to video AI like Hailuo AI, Kling AI, Runway ML, etc. You can see this video to understand the full strategy to use Runway ML for 100% free to complete your kid story to animated story. If you find my video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.